Tampatia in the balcony. Mambo ya kidosi haya in the balcony. The kitchen. On this side, look at the view from haha, ikiwaambia plug ni deno. Look at this, man. Look at this. Look at this. Hapo ndo total. Hapo chini, you see? And the parking. Chenda onyesha hadi parking, man. Yeah. This. Sorry. Nitampea. Look. This is the second unit tukiwa hapa. This is how the unit looks like, man. Damn. Check it. This is only 2 bedrooms in the Ndegwa. 2 bedrooms in the Ndegwa, you know? Yeah, man. Let's see what the other one has. Oops. This is the shared toilet and the shared bathroom for the second bedroom. This is the second bedroom. Look at this. Look at this. Sorry guys for maybe lighting ni simu yangu mbaya. This house has the best lighting actually, right? I'd like to show you how this is the inaitangwa sijui smoke extractor and all the things. So we're gonna do this. Just call or text 0791 999 005. I'll plug you with the best units around Kiambu in general, Thika, and in Kahawa West. Alright, this is how the unit looks like. I'll take you to the ground floor. You'll just see. Alright, I won't use the lift because I want you to see. Shit, haven't closed this door. I'm sorry. I'll have to go back. Close. There's the door I didn't close. This one, I forgot to close this door. And staki mambo mingi. That's cool. Hata sijui niwaambie aje. I don't know how to describe this unit, but I don't have much time because my guide anasema she's busy and she needs to go back to her work. So the only thing you have to do is to call or text 0791 999 005. I'll plug you with the best units always. And if you have an apartment na haina watu, just call us. I'll come, I'll record, and I'll give you the potential clients. Alright? Thank you very much for your time. And remember to subscribe. This is the second unit. Will be very short because Paul, I will be very short because I don't have much time. There are other units, but generally this is the one that yenye nimepatiwa tu ni showcase tu. Tunaona niwaonyeshe tu. It's a 2-bedroom unit going for 55,000 in Tendegua, the best unit I've seen today. Alright, see you on the next one, and remember to subscribe, guys. I don't know how to tell you, but this unit, man, this unit is best. Kwanza kama wewe ni mtu unapenda luxury, this place is for you, right? So all you have to do, just call or text 0791 999 005. I'll plug you with the best units always. Alright, thank you, and remember, plug ni deno. Thank you. Sorry. I want to use the lift because I want you to see the entire unit looks like. Look at the tiling and the lighting itself. I'm going to use the stairs hadi tufike. Ona tu, look at the unit. Very clean, very clean. Alright, this unit is very clean, and nataka tu mjionee watu wangu, msiniambie oh Deno you plugged us sijui with what. Tunashuka, tunapita stairs, and I'll show you what I mean. Look. I think there is some cleaning going on this place. And now we are in ground floor. This is the parking. Ona vile ni kubwa. Very big parking. Very big. Spacious. Hapa ndo lift iko. Ona. And this unit inakaa poa. Let me show you. Look, this is the first side, and this is the other side. Alright, nikiwaambia vile kunaenda, I'll plug you with the best. Just know it's the best. Alright, yeah. How this unit looks like, inakaa hivyo. Alright, yeah, and the parking ni kubwa. Sawa, nimemaliza. Asante. This is how it looks like.